Hi friends, welcome to another episode. So here we are at the Virar Dam. This is made of May, but see how beautiful and luscious green it is. It has been raining for some days now and we really have lots of water. From now only got filled. By August, this entire dam gets ready to overflow, and I will link that video in the bio. As you can see, this fine trailer, you can see here you have the Jivdani, and it's really great weather. It's green in May. This is the first time it's raining. It's beautiful all over. So guys, hope you enjoyed this view. Please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and do share friends and family. Till we meet again for more such amazing videos. Here you can see the boys playing cricket, and they have parked some scooters, also rickshaw. I really don't know from where they are coming on this ground, but it's really fun. Thank you, take care. I think they come from this side.